Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Jardin, a charming curtain collection that brings the beauty of the English countryside into your interiors by Fabrex from Excel Home Decor. It is a collection that evokes a cozy farmhouse vibe, perfect for creating spaces that feel warm, inviting and full of character. Let's take a closer look at the 5 stunning designs in this collection, each inspired by the gentle elegance of English florals. First, we have Aster. This design captures the essence of wildflower meadows, featuring a soft floral trail in delicate multicolors. It is subtle yet vibrant. Next is Blossom, a floral bunch design that radiates a delicate charm. Its gentle composition adds a soft, romantic feel, making it ideal for spaces that exude tranquility. Then there is Azalia. This design features a monotone floral trail that feels effortlessly elegant. Moving on to Peoney, an all-over brushstroke floral design in a mid-scale pattern. It has a painterly effect, giving your space an artistic and dynamic touch. Jardin includes 3 artisanal textured wallpapers. These wallpapers feature coordinating florals and texture, creating a seamless connection between your walls and fabrics. The wallpaper add a textural allure and make a subtle yet impactful statement in your space. You'll find shades inspired by nature's finest hues, muted greens, soft pinks, delicate yellows and airy blues. These colors harmonize beautifully with the collection designs, creating an atmosphere of serenity and elegance. It is the perfect blend of rustic charm and refined design, making it versatile enough for both modern and traditional interiors. Jardin helps you to create interiors that are warm, welcoming and full of character. I hope this collection inspires you as much as it has inspired us. Until next time, take care and happy designing!